Upper Lake, part of Upper Lake.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think it'll ever catch on that you take out a farm and put in a winery. But, you know.
Yeah, don't tell that to anybody in the Central Valley, right?
Found out why the train kept breaking at one spot, a low couple. They call them back. I looked at it, I can't see it. It's got a four-wheel.
So the ore cars will come from the mines up on the other side, and then they go down to the car ferry.
You got signals. Okay.
Yeah. I was going to say, if I put the bridge down, it should be green.
None of it is. No sound like that. I don't know how fast it wants to go. Slow or fast.
Full ore cars down to the ferry.
He owns a scope frame. I haven't seen it in how many years, roughly?
I had it down here last year.
Of course, the locomotive, I got Grandpa's locomotive still. I don't know if it runs.
I've got lubes.
Do you?
Yeah. It runs good sometimes.
Did you see it, Lou? Did you see the message from John last night?
I saw that, yeah.
What yard is that?
This is Ukiah Yard. That's the north end of our layout. Our trains run from Ukiah to Napa.
Barbell putting on the sugar beet power grants for a long time ago.
What town is
They're
this?
real big. I need to
This is Ford Flat.
Take a little more smaller.
Is there a real Ford flat somewhere?
Yes, yes there is. It's up toward Cobb Mountain.
Oh, the lights are out.
It's not the lake port that's on the south of Sacramento, is it?
No, it'll be Lakeport up toward Clear Lake.
Oh, okay.
That way.
All right.
And then Kelseyville is the town on the other side of the track here.
Okay.
And this is Mount St. Helena. The landslide there is you can pull that out to get access to working there.
I could hear this. But, so yeah, I mean, we could run. Yeah, we used to be able to run four and things at one time. Yes.
There goes the signals, we have operating signals. Now they're in order. They're in order, so we'll find the first one. That's just what it is.
I was going to ask, underneath there?
Yeah, underneath there. We have our Christmas shows, we play Polar Express at the drive-in.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Willy Wonka during the fair.
Right.
There's even a guy getting coal. We got coal fire and wind power.
The way of the future, right? Future and past.